I'm going to show you how to find out how colleges make decisions on applicants. The first thing you're going to do is in your Google search bar or any other search bar, you're going to type in the name of the university you're looking for and the words common data set. Every college has one. You'll notice for Notre Dame in this example, the first link is the common data set for nd.edu, which is Notre Dame. So you're going to click on it. Down on this page, you're going to look for the actual CDS reports common data set. We'll click on that, and you want to find the one for the most recent year. Here, the example is 2020, 2021. So we'll click on this, and you get in a PDF form. What you're going to do, there's a ton of information here, but for our purposes today, what we want to look for is down in a couple pages in, you are looking for the decision factors. So the first thing you're going to be looking for is section C, first time, first year freshman admission. This tells you everything you need to know about the freshman class that was admitted 2020, 2021. And if you go further down this page, you will see C7. That is the Holy Grail. C7 is the relative importance of every one of the following factors in your first time, first year degree seeking freshman, that'll be you, admissions decision. So you can see for Notre Dame that very important are the rigor of the secondary school record. That's really a fancy way of saying what classes did you take and how hard were they. And then the other very important character or characteristic for a freshman looking for admission to the University of Notre Dame is character/personal qualities. How do they decide those? Well, they look at recommendations, and then they also look for who you are as a person, probably through an interview or through the essay that you're going to write. And for Notre Dame, important are class rank, if your school does rank, your academic GPA, in other words, the grades that you got on academic courses, so not PE or religion or some electives. They're also going to look at your essay, your recommendations, your extracurricular activities, any talent or ability that you have, whether you are a first-generation student in your class, in your family to go to college, whether you have some racial or ethnic status, and whether you've done volunteer work. Those are their important criteria. So you'll look over here, not considered. They don't consider an interview. They don't look at where you're from, and they don't look at the state that you are residing in. They are not a public school where that would be important. They're a private school. So this is important to know if you are planning on applying to the University of Notre Dame. You want to know what they look at because every school is different. I hope this helps you figure out how to use the common data set to understand what colleges look for in admissions decisions.